Hello guys, look my Paytm balance. Now I have only 144.65 rupees in my Paytm balance at 4:11 p.m. Right now I am going to show you a live withdrawal of cash from Flam App to my Paytm wallet. So stay tuned guys, watch the video till the end, and if you are quite new to my channel, please consider subscribe, like, share and comment. Now I'm going to open the Flam App. Now click rewards here like this. Now you can see one reward. Now check here and click here like this and tap. Now I have earned 2 rupees guys, 2 rupees. Now to withdraw this 2 rupees, you need to add your Paytm mobile number here. It will be added instantly to your Paytm wallet. Again, one more price guys, click here like this. Again, hello guys, just now I have received again rupees 2. Now I am going to withdraw it to my Paytm. So you need to add your mobile number here as before. Now this rupees 2 means 4 rupees has been added to my Paytm wallet instantly. Now go to the Paytm and check the balance. Now check the balance. Now I have 148.65 rupees in my Paytm wallet after rupees 4 has been added. Look the statement. Look. Rupees 2 and 2 times means rupees 4. If you guys also would like to earn money like this, please download the app through the link given in the video description and join the Telegram group. Also, its link is also given in the video description, and in this group you will get an email like this, and please send this email to another mobile number through WhatsApp or Telegram and scan these emails by Flam App, and you will get cash automatically, which is magical. So guys, now download the Flam App from the link given in the video description and install it in your mobile like this. Now open the Flam App and you will see this type of interface in your mobile, and now click next, only next, and please wait. Now as soon as the app opens, you will see this type of interface. That means you can scan up to 100 times, but keep in your mind guys, you must scan 100 times to get cash. But the problem is how to scan. But don't worry guys, don't worry. Now I'm going to show you everything. You have to scan the image which I told you to scan, the image which you got in my Telegram group. This kind of image, this image. So guys, don't skip the video, watch till the end, otherwise you will not understand. You put your another mobile like this, which we have this kind of image like this, and now you bring the camera of the Flam App like this near to the mobile which you have this kind of image like this, like this, and you have to do like this, like this. You wave your hand like this, side to side. This is the method of scanning. It is a magical trick. Like this guy, like this, See, the skin is increasing now above. See, 37, 39, 42. This way you can scan minimum up to 100 scans. After you reach 100 scans, you need to go to the rewards here like this. Now click here, and now you have own a reward. Click here, you will see your price. Look, just now you have on 2 rupees, and to withdraw this, just add your Paytm mobile number here, and you will receive the amount instantly in your Paytm wallet, guys. This way you can do multiple times every day. That means minimum 3 times a day. So it is better to scan minimum 300 scans per day. This is very interesting and magical. It is working right now. So guys, you also try to earn Paytm cash joining my Telegram link in the video description and downloading the app from the link given in my video description. So guys, if you are quite new to my channel, please consider subscribe, like, share and comment, so that your friends and your dear ones can also earn this type of money easily. Bye bye, thank you for watching.